So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the Asia stock market on Yahoo Finance. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Yahoo Finance application. Once that is done, you then have to go to the bottom right, so right beside where it says account and right beside where it says discover, there's sort of like a globe icon with the markets, word written below it. So go ahead and press on markets right here. Now by default for me, it actually does go to the European market. So in the top left corner, you have the US market, the European market, as well as the Asia market. If you're looking for the Asia stock market, press on Asia right here, and it's right in front of you now. So you can view the Asia stock market. You can view the most active stocks. You can view the indexes, which is not available right now, but you can go ahead and sort of play around with that. You can view the top gaining stocks. You can view the top losers, the top, the bonds market in Asia, the currency market. You can also scroll down and view a whole bunch of different stuff right here, the commodities market, whatever the case may be. It's right in front of you, and it's fairly straightforward. So that is how to view the Asia stock market on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.